What's going on, guys? Back with another meet today. Today we're at in the memory of Paul Walker car meet. We even got the news here, which is pretty crazy. This outside area seems like the kind of like the outside lot where everyone's just like not really show cars, but some show cars are just chilling, you know. Got R8, got Huracan, and then here's the line to get in. Boom. It's going all the way. It starts all the way down there and ends all the way. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever to get in. I don't even know if it's worth it at this point. How long is it gonna get in? Oh my god. First, I think what we're gonna do, let's go to the front line, let's see what's here, and then make our way back to the back of line and try to get in. Jeez, dude. Okay, there's a lot of empty spots in the lot, and it doesn't look like a super huge lot, but the amount of people at this thing, oh my god. I mean, it's for a great cause though. Like all the entrance fees or the people paying basically to get in, it all goes to like Paul Walker's foundation. So it's for a good cause. Yeah.
The Batman car is parked.
Okay, this.
Tickets here, guys. Prepay.
Oh, dude, can we line up here to get in too?
Yeah.
Absolutely. For sure. Oh wow. All right, so there seems to be two lines, and this one's like super shorter. So I'm getting lucky here. Dude, you got Dan and his Regera right here. Jeez, it's coming up. Wow. Dude, that looks so awesome. Dude, you gotta chase this thing. I don't know how he's gonna get in though. Oh, damn. Look at all these people. They don't even know what this car is. Oh, we came here at the perfect time, ladies and gentlemen. And look, there's a little camera that pops up in the front. Thing looks intense. Yeah, absolutely came here at the perfect time to catch him coming in. Dude, this thing, every time I see it, I just fall more in love with it. Dope. The Regera. Trying to decide where they're gonna put this thing, if it's even gonna be able to get in, I guess. I don't know where the entrance is. Yep, we got some crowd now. I guess he's gonna leave it here, I suppose. Yeah, they got the staff here, gotta watch it, make sure no one touches this thing, because it is a mega car. Absolutely insane. Gets me every time he opens up this thing. Look at that engine. So the battery's right there. Looks like there's 2 bottles for the coolant. It's insane how clean they put it in there too. It's like a piece of art. Yeah, well, we might not go in for a while until we see what happens to this thing. So we see if it comes in or not. He pretty much shut it down. Yeah, it's so cool with the intricate details. Like this, I didn't know this thing pops up for it to be a camera. That's the power steering fluid right there. There's the washer fluid. Everything's very nice and neat. I mean, you can replace this anytime if you wanted to. Looks very simple to do your common maintenance if you wanted to. Wow, look at that. The intricate details and just the headlights alone. It's like a little fan or turbine here, I guess, to take out all the like water that gets trapped here or whatever, to make sure there's no, it doesn't like fog up. Look, they placed a chair here just for me. I'm just saying. Oh my god, now we got a cheer on. We got a black and white cheer on. Vanilla ice cream, dude. And we got another Regera. I mean, not another Koenigsegg here. Dude, that's so awesome. The Draken's here too. I think Mark's in it. Absolutely insane, dude. I don't even know what they're gonna do right now. I guess they're gonna park it here, and they're gonna try to move this our Both. Which one would you guys rather have? Would you guys have the Regera behind me, if I can find it there, the cheer on, or the Regera Draken, or Draken? I think it's pronounced Draken. But which one you guys rather have? Because man, like look at the Draken, dude. Oh my god, it looks so epic. Right. But the cheer on definitely too. Ooh. That's insane. This thing was just like moving. It looks like it has an electric mode. This is really rad. So if you want to like sneak through your neighborhood, you could. Oh yeah, there it is. So this thing is absolutely incredible, especially since it does have paddles. So it's like, you know, what are those paddles even for besides like going into like reverse and drive, I suppose? I guess maybe it's just like for fun, like kind of like a video game feel, just so that you're more engaged driving it. It's so awesome though. And that's insane. Where can you find 93 octane fuel in California? Because the highest grade they sell at like Chevron or whatever is 91, as you know. So 93, work only special gas stations will sell that. But wow, everything looks absolutely insane. The intricate details of everything. It actually looks fairly spacious, fairly comfortable too. I mean, it does have cup holders, so you can definitely take it on long trips. I mean, this looks way more spacious than an Aventador or something. It looks way better too, wow. Created in Ängelholm, Sweden. Trying to get that focus on that screen because can barely see it in the sunlight. Insane. I just love the red and the red chrome combo. It looks absolutely sick. There's your engine oil and your... I guess they're gonna put these two next to each other or pop it in like right there.
Back it up. Come on. Push back. Clean a hole, make a hole. Yeah, follow the line. Go that way. I see you guys. Go that way. Go that way. You'll see the Koenigsegg moving right now. Back it up. And hold it. Keep going. A little more and then straight. Straight.
Okay, so we just finished up checking out the Regera, but we're about to head in. But before that, we're catch the 918. I think his Instagram is Ghost and Stuff or whatever. But yeah, dude, repping Cup Gang. There's like a drama around that cup gang thing in Salamandrian, but I'll leave that for a different episode. But absolutely insane catching this thing, and wow. Not too sure about these flame type things though, but epic. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We're about to head in, so it's going to be an entirely different one. But today so far has been great, and we got the news here. So, you know, check out your local news channel if you're here in Southern California, and you might see me doing this. Anyways, I'll catch you later. Peace out.